Hi guys. So we found a fun little project on Pinterest that we're going to share with you all. It is making little Easter treats and spring treats with bird seed for the birds outside. So we're going to make some different treats and then let them set, and then we're going to go on a walk and we're going to set them out in the trees and the bushes for all the birds, and I'm sure some squirrels to eat as well. Ray, are you excited? She just likes playing with all the Easter eggs, huh? So it's gonna be a lot of fun. So here is what you need. We got just some ordinary plastic Easter eggs. And I got holes in them for the string. Then we just got some string. We also got different fun Easter and spring cookie cutters. Plain unflavored gelatin. A pack of bird seed, some parchment paper, and then an empty egg carton just to put all the eggs in while they set. Alright, so we're going to start by preparing the gelatin the way it says in the box. So our box says 4 packets over 1 cup of cold water. So Raylan, you want to help me dump in the water? Packet 1. Packet 2. Packet 3. Good job. And packet 4. All right, and then we're going to mix it up. Good job. Get it all mixed up. I'm sorry. You can do it. Alright, and then you have to add 1 cup of boiling water. Don't touch, Ray, that's hot. And we're going to stir it up. You want to help, Ray? Stir it up. Good job. And then once all the gelatin is good and dissolved, then we're going to start mixing in our bird seed. All right, now we're gonna start adding the bird seed. Mix it up. Good job. Mix it up. Keep mixing. Keep mixing. Good job, Ray. Mix it up. We gotta make sure it gets nice and sticky. You wanna mix for a little bit? Good job. I think we might got enough seed in there now. Let's see. Now we're just measuring out some string to cut, so we have some holders for it so we can hang it from tree branches or bush branches. Ray's just making a mess, aren't you, Ray? Can you say yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, making a mess. All right, now that we got it all mixed up, we're gonna start filling the eggs. Push it in, Ray. Ray, go like this. Go push, push, push. Good job. Oh, you're getting the seeds all over your hands? Good job. I'm gonna push it in and try to maybe loosen it a little bit and get the eggs closed. This is so much harder than I thought it was gonna be. All right, and there we go. And then I did hear that sometimes the gelatin leaks out, so that's why we got the plastic egg holder. You help me do the next one, Ray? Wonder if it'd be easier just to kind of go like this. Yeah, we're gonna do that one. We gotta get this one done first. There's a stick in there. Good job. You getting the seeds in there? Get little seeds out here. There we go. We got 2 done. Let's see yours, Ray. Alright, so we have all of our eggs filled, and then we'll be tossing them in the fridge to set and see if they turned out or not. Alright, so now we're going to do the ones with the cookie cutters. So these ones we're going to see if I can find some good piece of string. Use some string, that way we'll be able to hang them up outside. We'll see if I can. I think we're going to put the string on the bottom of both. That way the string... Oh, you're gonna help, Ray? The string is inside of it so we can hang it. Okay. There you go. You gonna do the next one? Good job. Okay. All right, and now we're just gonna fill up our bird seed mixture into the shapes. You gonna help, Ray? You gonna scoop it up? Filled, we are just gonna toss them in the fridge and let them set, and we'll see if they turned out, fingers crossed. All right, guys, so here's the ones we did with the cookie cutters. Ooh, they're kind of stuck together. But see, if you lift it up, there's the butterfly. So we can hang these up in the trees. Here is the egg. These didn't turn out quite how I expected. It was a little bit messier, but hey. There's the bunny. And then the carrot. These ones got stuck together. And the flower just looks like more like a blob. And so does the carrot. But that's how these ones turned out. And let's see how the ones inside of an egg turned out. Good angle of us. Alright, so now these have been sitting in the fridge. We're gonna see how they turned out. You ready, Ray? Yeah. Uh-oh, it didn't stick. Oh no, we're gonna put this one back together, huh? So, while I was filling these after we were done recording, I did get the idea to spray the inside with olive oil. So, luckily we did have a few that I sprayed. This is one of the ones that I sprayed. We'll see if that one made a difference. Oh, looks like this one worked. So this is what they're supposed to look like. And then you just leave them around in the bushes and in the trees for the birds to eat. Are we gonna go hide all the treats we made for all the birdies? Are you coming? Hold on. Here.
try hanging this one?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll set that here. Ready? Careful.
Oh, did you find another one to hang up?
Yeah.
Where are we going to hang this one?
This thing's what?
Uh-oh, that's okay. Where's you going to hang it? All right, Dad, you going to help her?
Come here, Ray.
Oh, she's like, you hang it and I'll hand them to you.
Oh, good. Mom, where'd you go?
Just check out how cute these are, you guys.
Huh?
I'm decorating a pine tree with our little Easter ornaments made of bird seed. Of course, they're all pretty low, because that's where Ray reaches. But they're cute.
Good job.
All done.
Good job.
Well, this was pretty fun. It was a lot messier than I expected. We didn't end up with as many eggs as I thought we were going to end up with, because only the ones that we sprayed beforehand we got out of the eggs. The rest of them broke and basically shattered as we tried to get them out. So next time we'll remember to spray the eggs so we can get the seeds out. But Ray, can you say goodbye? It was a lot of fun, and the birdies are gonna like their treats, right? Say goodbye.